If you want to see how to mount your SmartThings iPad enclosure and provide power over Ethernet to the device, then stick around.
Let's start by listing out the parts you'll need. Once you've decided on a tablet and chosen the right mount, there are some tools you'll need to get the job done. The PoE adapter we used is the GAF Lightning PD to provide power and data to the iPad. Make sure you have your iPad and some drywall anchors or screws. A 1/4 inch will do. For this install, you'll need a bubble level. You can also use an app on your phone, a pencil for marking, a drill with bits and 1-inch hole saw, and a screwdriver. We made this demo assuming the home run cable is already in place. Let's go ahead and get started. I started out by finding the placement for the mount and making sure it was level before marking the holes. Now time to drill the hole for the GAF Lightning PD adapter to fit through. After installing a few of these, I learned that the hole did not need to be this big. You could drill a hole just small enough for the cable to fit through. I'm drilling through 3/4 inch MDF instead of sheetrock, so it was a little hard to get through. Once the opening for the adapter is done, I can move forward with securing my tablet to the wall. Again, just checking to make sure it's level before fully tightening the screws. Before I put the iPad in, I have to reconnect one of the holding tabs on the enclosure. I'm also checking to make sure my lightning cable fits through nicely and secures in the opening of the tab. Now I'm ready for the iPad. I want to make sure to connect the lightning cable first and then slide it into the mount. Then just pop on the other end of the enclosure until you hear it click in place. This SmartThings mount also comes with its own set of keys, which is used to lock and unlock the mount. And we're done! We successfully installed a SmartThings iPad mount and provided power with wired data via PoE. Don't forget to check out the Month of Mounts playlist for more install videos.